Becoming rich is a goal that many people have, but it's not always easy to achieve. Here are some things that can make you rich. Education and training. Having a college degree or vocational training can open up job opportunities and increase your earning potential, which can help you build wealth over time. Good money management skills. Knowing how to manage your money can be crucial to building wealth. This might involve having a budget, saving and investing for the future, and avoiding high-interest debt. A high-paying job. Having a well-paying job is one of the most important factors in building wealth. This might involve working in a high-demand field, negotiating a higher salary, or advancing in your career to a higher paying position. Investment income. Building a portfolio of investments, such as stocks, real estate, or small businesses, can generate income and help you grow your wealth. This might involve taking on some risk, but with careful planning and a long-term perspective, investments can be a powerful way to build wealth. Inheritance or gifts. Inheriting money or receiving large gifts can be a significant source of wealth. While this is not something you can control, it can be a factor in building wealth. If you receive a substantial amount of money from a relative or friend, overall, becoming rich is not easy. And there is no one-size-fits-all approach to building wealth. However, by focusing on education, good money management, a high-paying job, investments, and potential gifts or inheritance, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success.